Hi trolls, SC Dark here. So in today's video I'm gonna make unboxing and review of the wireless headphones. So the seller is selling two types of Air wireless headphones. So you have Air Dots, they are like a little box, and AirPods. AirPods are like iPhone style, they are slim and long fit, slim fit. So you can choose the color, but you cannot choose the type. So they said in the description, they said that they send them randomly. So I put a note to the seller that I wanted black Air Dots. So let's open this baby up and see if I'm lucky. So the package looks good, it hasn't been opened, it is sealed, the box hasn't been damaged, so that's good. Let's open this up and see what's inside. So I've got scissors, let's open this box and let's see if the seller did read my message and get me the Air Dots. Yes! Air Dots, super bass, whoa, wireless, very nice. So you have all the cool features here. So pure bass performance, 8 hours of battery, that's very nice. I'm gonna use them for for 1 week and see how they perform. So they are Bluetooth 5.0. They are black ones and they are at dots, just like wanted. Thanks seller, you have 5 stars for me. So let's see, the box it has little damage, but I think everything is okay. So let's see how I'm gonna open this, like this. Let's see what's inside. So here you have USB cable, micro USB cable. So here you have manual. So you have manual on Chinese and you have manual on English, so that's good. And let's see what we have here. So we don't have nothing here. So what we have here. So this is 3.7 volts, 450 milliamp hours, as you can see, made in China. So that's good. Whoa, so JBL, this is not the original JBL, this is like a fake ones. So you have magnets, so that are good because they cannot fall. Very nice, they look cool. So we have here button, I don't know for what, doesn't do anything. So the light, this doesn't work, so it needs to be charged, I hope. So here are the Air Dots. So you can see they are work. That's nice. The one is flashing, the other one does not flash. So oh, they flash together. You can see they're searching now for Bluetooth devices, so that's good. Let's put them back in. So as you can see, they are work. I hope they work. They are just blinking the lights. So now I'm gonna use them for like a week, and I'll be back with the specs to see how much play music can we have and how they are sounding. So to say, stay tuned. So I'm back. I've used these AirDots for a couple of weeks, and these are my thoughts. So in charging box, you have here one button. When you press it, you can see how much battery you have. So that's very good for charging the box. You need about 1 hour. To charge the AirDots, you need about 1 hour too. So if you put them in the box, they will start charging immediately. So when they are charging, the red light is on, and when they are fully charged, the red light is off. So that's very nice. So when you pair them to your Bluetooth device in your Bluetooth status, you can see how much battery you have. So that's very nice. When they are fully charged, you got 100%, and when the battery drops to about 20%, you get a low battery warning, and if the battery drops to 10%, then you got few times battery warning, and then they will shut off. So that's very nice. Now when they're flashing, they are searching for Bluetooth devices, and when they are connected, the flash stops, and then you know, and you will hear it that they are connected. So that's very nice. About sound quality, I'm very pleased. If I compare them with my Samsung headphones, I will give them about 8.5, 8.7 points. So they are very good. The bass is very good, and the volume is also good. So about play music time, I've got 7.5 hours of play, and on the other I got 8.5 hours. I think maybe because when you're calling somebody, you will hear only on the one AirDot, so maybe that's why one lasted longer. So that's very nice. So if you don't use them for 5 minutes, they will auto shut off. So here you have touch button, and if you press it for about 2 seconds, then they will turn off. Maybe a little more than 2 seconds, and now they are off. So that's a little bit annoying. When you put them onto your ears, you will turn them on and off, but it's okay. And if you press them again, they will turn on. So that's good. When you are paired, you have to pair each separately. So you pair the one, then you pair the second, and when you're listening to the music, if you touch it one time, it will pause the music, and if you touch them again, they will resume the music. If you touch them twice, they will go to the next song. So you can go only forward, not backwards, when you're listening to the songs. And just be careful, if you touch them 3 times, they will call the last number, but they will warn you that the last number is redialing. So I'm very pleased. Like I said, they are very good. If you like them, buy them. You will not regret it. I am very pleased with them. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your friends, and wait for my next video. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.